Blakebook, and today I'm outside, as you can see. There's a trampoline over there. I'm going to be doing some trick shots with this little monster truck, and I have some friends joining me. I have my brother Hudson. He's up here, and I have my neighbor Reese. He also has a channel, and you can tell him what it's called.
The Crones. Make sure to spell Reese, Drake, Millie, Matt, and Kelsey.
Okay, and then we'll be back with the first trick shot. Okay, we're back, and now Reese is up there, as you can see, and then Hudson is right over there. So then, now what Reese is going to do is he's going to put, you see, there's like a sign up there. I don't think you can really see it, but Reese is touching it. He's going to put it through that hole, and then he is going to make it fall. So I'm going to want to back this camera up just a little bit so it doesn't hit the camera, so it's landing.
True.
So Reese is going to do it. We're going to be like, do it perfect here. 3, 2, 1, go. Stuck the landing.
Stick the landing, boy.
Stuck it. He made it land. There it is.
Woo!
So he did it.
Can I do it now?
Pretty impressive. So yeah, there's our first trick shot. So that was pretty impressive. Good job, Reese. Okay, now we are going to be doing our next trick shot. Hey guys, we're back, and now we are going to be doing the next trick shot. And this trick shot is called out of the trampoline and over.
This is the last one?
So this is going to be the last trick shot for today. So Reese is going to throw this out, and he is going to be landing it, and then I'll show you when he lands it. Okay, so Reese, throw it. Okay, Reese is going to throw it. Okay, he threw it. He did it! Oh my gosh!
No, I
He
didn't.
did it!
No, I didn't.
Okay, he's going to try again one more time. Oh,
Dude, what the heck?
okay, he's going to try it again.
He does not know anything.
Okay. Yeah.
Finally.
He actually is going to land this time. Okay, Reese is going to throw it.
Oh.
Okay,
Let's do
two
it.
more.
Let's do it until he lands it, okay?
Okay.
We might just do 2 more.
Okay, and then we're going to have one more trick shot after this. So, throw it, Reese. Oh. Ooh,
No.
so close. Okay,
Oh.
one more, and then we're doing the next one.
Throw it over. We might.
Oh, I landed it.
Stick the
I
landing,
hit it off the
boy.
trampoline, and
Nice
it landed.
one, Blake.
Okay, so that's one of the trick shots. Okay, let's get back to the other one.
Ow.
Okay. So now,
Can I
Reese
do
is going to do this for the last time. He has to land
Please
this.
stick it.
He landed it! He landed it. See it? He landed it. Okay, do that trick shot. Okay, we'll be back with the next trick shot. Okay, we're back with the next trick shot. And you see this ball here? Reese is up there in the clubhouse. Say hi, Reese.
Hi.
Okay, he's going to drop the ball right onto the top of this, and it's going to bounce up, and then it's going to land on the ground. So whenever you're ready, Reese,
Hopefully. Go.
go ahead. Oh! He landed it. It bounced off the bench first, and then it landed right there. That was sweet. Good job. Okay. So we did it. So this is the trick shot video. Leave a like and subscribe. Go check out Reese's channel, the Crones channel, and you'll find cool videos on there. And just leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.